I would like to share you this beautiful moment of a pair of woodpeckers came over my house to drink water, hanging on branch. Of course, every kind of colored folds of heaven add further beauty to the nature. I have grown up a beautiful bougainville tree in front gateway of my house, and I hang a box over to the branch filled with water to quench thirst of every bugs that come over here. We set up a camera to the branch to record every moment of bugs that come over here, and one of its pair poking on its camera with its beak might be thinking what it was. It has caused global warming today. It's going worse day by day. We produce so much things that cause and releases harmful chemicals that may be useful in quick way in a very real quick time, but to the nature it will cause so much harm. We are not the only person created to occupy this entire. There are other life beings. It's our responsibility to take care of everything, every creature, every nature, and we have to protect it. In order to spreading our technology, in order to build up our knowledge, in order to spread our houses wide, we are cutting down the shelter of other life beings. This is a serious condition. If we don't take care of it, if we don't concern about it, it will one day cause every creature's fade away. When God has blesses you so much in every way, and when you have houses spread over and beautiful and wide, at least plant it in your yard, give them shelter, they deserve it. If you are obsessed with your work, if you are stressed out, seek some time in nature. You can observe everything. Bugs come over, watch them playing and enjoying nature. That beautiful moment will inspire you. That good vibes really heal your stress levels and you may have a very peaceful mind. Well, do not bring a guest for only, but it cannot be its house. Plant a tree, let it be grown up so wide, spread its branches all over so that it can be a shelter for many bugs. So you can watch and enjoy every kind of colored bugs come over your tree. Woodpeckers are not only the bugs that come over here, there's so many kinds. Each teeny and large bugs come over and enjoy their nature, quench their thirst. I hope this video will inspire you and see how it is enjoying and drinking water. I try to fasten about the tree so it can be firm, but it's not possible because the tree is so high I cannot climb over each and every time to fill the basket with water. So I got to hang up this basket on these branches so I fill water. Hope you like this video and enjoy.